Good day everyone, ano tayo yun sa Amadeo, Cavite to film a farm resort with a total lot area of 7,969 square. Okay, this is the roundabout. So the first villa with a swimming pool. Okay, so the property is inclusive fence with fruit-bearing trees and with the income right now at ang daming mga nara tree. So ang nara tree dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 20 numbers of nana trees plus almost 20 numbers of mango trees. All right, so ito yung first villa. Now you have a kitchen, you have a shower room, and then the storage room. Okay, so with high ceiling. So ang maganda dito sa property na to ay Torrance title. And then it's a fee simple absolute. Now tingnan natin sa itaas. Merry Christmas everyone and advance Happy New Year. Okay, this is the second floor wherein you have bunk bed. Ayan. Okay, so you have your bunk beds. And ito siya guys. So konting polish and renovation lang to. Of course, over here you have a shower room. The shower area. Ayan. Then right here you have the view of the big size swimming pool. And wow. Alright, so nakikita niyo yung swimming pool dito. So you have two swimming pool, you have a jacuzzi, and then doon sa kabilang villa, may additional swimming pool. So the good thing is, doon sa likod, you have access sa parang like a bangin area, no? Wherein pwede magiging source ng tubig, which in a while pupuntahan po natin. Okay, this is the first villa. Now we have to check out the other villas. Okay, right here, you have a big size swimming pool. And then the party area. So tomorrow, hanggang sa katapusan, ang dami nitong guests. So this property is selling in the market for 50 million pesos. So it's income generating property. So you have shower room. So you have shower room right here. And then you have a garden doon sa kabilang side. Okay, so tingnan natin dito guys. So dito you have a garden area. Ayan, malapad ang area kasi almost 8,000 square meters. Now, mayroon siyang other villas na titingnan natin sa other side. This is the first villa. And right now, nandito ang kanilang caretaker. Alright. So, ang dahil mga nana trees. Nice, oh. So, if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today. Right. Shoutout po sa lahat ng ating mga clients all over the globe for always tuning in our YouTube channel. And ganun din, no? Kung meron kayong mga existing properties na gusto niyo pong i-film with us, just message us. So 2026, so we have 2 channels na mag-a-accommodate na inyo pong mga property for sale. And of course, mag-i-enjoy po yung ating mga viewers out there. Kasi we have 2 channels na mapagpipilian nila ng kanilang mga properties na gusto nilang ma-acquire in the soonest. Ayan. So papunta lang tayo doon sa pinaka-highway, like a 4-lane road. Pero dito sa side nito, ang daming mangga, oh. Right. Ang daming mga puno and of course, ang driveway. Ayan, then dito sa side na to, ang daming mga halaman din. No? So for me, since this is along the road, so magandang highest and best use nito. And of course, konting improvement and landscaping. Well, kasi ang access nito from Manila and then going to the East Service Road, napakalapit lang niya. Okay, so may kuryente, may internet, and meron siyang mga villas. Now, this is the villa number 2. No? Medyo busy yung area right now kasi holidays. And dito, ang daming mga nara trees. Ayan o, ang daming mga nara trees. Now, tingnan natin the swimming pool side, which is right here. Then dito sa side na to, you have shower room and the swimming pool area. Ayan, so, ayan, di ba? So you have additional 2 swimming pool over here. And then, sa side naman na yun, you have kitchen area. No? Tama-tama sa mga guests. Nag-cleaning sila right now dahil nga may guests sila tomorrow. Alright, so you have barbecue area. Of course, naka-cover siya. And, ganito. Now, tingnan natin the villa, which is right there. Okay, guys, look at that. Ang ganda, oh. Wow. Alright, guys. Okay, so this is the... Okay, the villas over here, guys. Right, so you have a kitchen and a shower room, which is over here with air conditioning unit. Look. Now, this is side na to. You have additional room with the bunk beds. Ayan. So imagine this is 8,000 square meters property. Ayan, with a shower room. Of course, you have air conditioning unit. Right. And then you have a front garden and front yard. Ito kaganda ang ating properties. Ayan. Okay. So madami pang mga area, no? Tamang-tama itong i-improve, i-develop pa, no? As income generating property. So dito sa side na to, so highway na yan, along the 4-lane road. Okay, napakaganda ng access na to. So access ang panalo dito, guys. Okay, so pagpasok nyo, you have 4, no? Na niyog. Ayan, dito sa side na ito. Look. Yeah. Ganito kahaba ang property natin. Ayan. Look at that. At mag-i-enjoy kayo dito. Alright, no, tingnan natin the frontage. Frontage is very important. Okay, this is the frontage. Ganito kahaba ang ating frontage. Look. Well, dito lang po ito sa Amadeo, Cavite. Ang haba ng frontage, like 50 meters frontage. At ang ganda ng access, oh. Okay, so balik tayo doon sa property. Okay. Ayan, so pagpasok mo again, ganito siya, no? Dito sa left side, so you have space pa wherein pwede i-develop. And then the other side naman, you have a space pa wherein pwedeng like i-develop, no? Pwede kayong maglagay dito like mga botika or a supermarket dito sa side na to. Then, ganito ang ganda ng property, oh. Landscape lang to. At saka ang ganda ng weather, no? Malamig dito sa Amadeo, Cavite. This is almost 400 meters above sea level, kaya expected right now, malamig talaga siya. So if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers below. So this one is selling in the market for 50 million pesos. I believe it's negotiable. If you are interested, message us now. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless everybody.